NITI Aayog. NITI Aayog, or the National Institution for Transforming India Aayog, is a policy think tank of the Government of India. It was established on 1st January 2015 to replace the Planning Commission. Primary objective of NITI Aayog is to foster cooperative federalism by enhancing the involvement of state governments in the economic policy-making process of the country. NITI Aayog is headed by the Prime Minister of India, who serves as its chairperson, and its vice-chairperson is a full-time member of the Council of Ministers. Governing Council of NITI Aayog comprises the chief ministers of all the states and union territories of India, along with other members. NITI Aayog's role is to provide a platform for the formulation and implementation of innovative policies and schemes that promote sustainable and inclusive growth in India. The think tank focuses on issues such as poverty alleviation, economic development, job creation, education, health, and sanitation, among others. It also works towards fostering entrepreneurship and promoting the use of technology in various sectors of the Indian economy. Objectives: NITI Aayog, or the National Institution for Transforming India, is a policy think tank of the Government of India. The primary objectives of the organization are to foster economic growth and development, promote innovation and entrepreneurship, and ensure social inclusion and equity. Structure: NITI Aayog is headed by the Prime Minister of India, who serves as the chairperson of the organization. It has a governing council that includes the chief ministers of all Indian states and union territories, as well as experts and specialists in various fields. The day-to-day operations of the organization are managed by a CEO and a team of senior officials. Functions: NITI Aayog serves as a platform for collaboration and cooperation between the central government and the state governments. It is responsible for formulating and implementing policies and initiatives in areas such as agriculture, health, education, infrastructure, and urban development. The organization also conducts research and analysis on various issues and provides technical support to the government in policy making. Key initiatives: NITI Aayog has launched several key initiatives aimed at promoting economic growth and development. These include the Atal Innovation Mission, which aims to promote innovation and entrepreneurship in India, the Digital India Program, which aims to transform India into a digitally empowered society, and the Smart Cities Mission, which aims to develop sustainable and citizen-friendly cities across India. International cooperation: NITI Aayog has also been actively involved in promoting international cooperation and collaboration. It has signed several agreements and partnerships with international organizations such as the World Bank, the United Nations, and the Asian Development Bank, and has hosted several international conferences and events. Overall, NITI Aayog plays a crucial role in promoting economic growth and development in India. Its initiatives and policies have the potential to transform India's economy and society, and to ensure that the benefits of growth are distributed equitably across the country.